soft and healing light. You held my broken pieces tight and made the darkness feel alright. Even if you fade with time, I'll keep your warmth inside. Thank you for coming into my life. Every smile you gave felt so unreal, like a dream my heart could finally feel. In your sight